Hi, I'm George Miller from the Buffalo Bill Center of the West, and join us on April 7th at 11 a.m. Mountain Time to talk about the building and recycling of mountains. What I'm holding in my hand here is called a volcanic bomb. Now, it's not a real bomb, but they call it that because when it falls through the air after erupting, it solidifies kind of like a raindrop, and then it hits the ground. Boom. So, lots of ways to build mountains. Volcanoes are one way. We'll talk about some other ways, and the ways that the Rocky Mountains were built, and how they get recycled. So mountains are built and recycled by glaciers and rivers. So join us April 7th, 11 a.m. Mountain Time. We'll have some fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.